Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. So guys, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, situation here has become a bit simpler than it was on the previous week. Well, I do not know whether you guys will make some trades on the current week, since this week will be short due to the celebration of the Independence Day in the United States. But currently the price action that is now developing on the intraday charts reminds me mostly of the retracement rather than some kind of the reversal. Or some, actually it doesn't care no significant drastic changes. So that is very chop and sloppy price action that reminds mostly the bounce from the support rather than some reversal. And from that standpoint, as we have discussed in our weekly research, and the research was really dry because there was no really significant patterns had been formed on the markets, no some leads or clues that we could stick with and decide what we could do in the short-term perspective. The situation hasn't changed significantly, but based on the price action that now is developing, we could make some assumption about what we could do in the short-term perspective on the euro currency. Well, here market has reached the major 618 support, is 130 even area, and now is showing the lazy bounce from it. Now you can see that market have moved above the weekly pivot point, and as some kind of the rule of the dealing with the pivot points suggests, that when the market stands in the bear trend, usually retracement should be held by weekly pivot resistance 1. So the reaching of the weekly pivot resistance 1 is the normal with the development of the bear trend. And until market stands below the weekly pivot resistance 1, we could say that overall trend to the downside is intact. That's our major thought. And what we see right in this area, we see a significant area of resistance. That is the 3.8 resistance 131.50 area. Take a look. That is untouched July monthly pivot point. It stands around 131.26. Slightly lower stands the weekly pivot resistance 1. So if even we will become wrong, and if market will not turn down from this area and will not continue downward trend, I expect that the market will show at least the respect of this area, and we will see some bounce, at least minor bounce from this level, because this is really significant area. And that's why probably, well, I think that we should search possibility to enter short from this level. Because if we will become wrong, we will have enough time to place our stop to the break even at the respect move from this level. If we will become right, then in this case market probably will test the weekly monthly pivot point and reestablish move down. Since currently trend holds bearish, price action stands bearish, and market not at ever sold and not at ever bought. So that is the medium place of the market in terms of overbought oversold analysis. That's why I expect that market probably could just test this area and show at least the bounce from this. That's the first idea. Second idea is, do we have the possibility to take the long position? Well, let's take a look on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, yes, we have such possibility, and we have discussed it in our weekly research. So what signs here we have? First of all, I would like to tell that I would take the long position either if I see the significant changes to the upside, if market will break some significant resistance, will break this tendency of the lower lows and lower highs, or if I will see some reversal pattern. And this reversal pattern could be, as you can see on this picture, the butterfly buy. But probably it's better to draw it as 1618 butterfly. So, what signs we have here? This is harmonic retracements that we have discussed previously. Market hasn't broken this tendency yet, but take a look. Market now has shifted to some sort of the horizon consolidation. So that was previous support. Now it has become the resistance. Now market approaches to this resistance again. But take a look, that trend has turned to the bullish side. Market stands above this red line, that's an MACD predictor indicator. But price action stands flat. That could be some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure. If this will be the case, market should take it out of these lows, and this will mean for us downward action. Probably this will be a breakout of this consolidation, and that could become the butterfly buy pattern. I choose the 1618 extension because it stands right at the target of breakout of the rectangle. So recall that the classical approach of the trading rectangles suggests that market should pass the distance equals to the height of the rectangle to the downside. That's approximately 1618 extension of this butterfly. So if we will get this setup, we could try to stick with the pattern and try to trade the harmonic pattern on the long side of the market. That's the first scenario for potential bullish position. Or we should see some significant move to the upside, breakout and acceleration. We would like to see some bullish power in the current price action before taking any long position. Until that will happen, and taking into consideration overall environment on the market, this really strong bullish move to the strong bearish move to the downside, I do not want to take the long position with any other setups, because they will be insufficient to take in the long position. The second pattern that we have discussed in our weekly time frame as well could become this ABCD development. It will not quite achieve the area of the free hit resistance, major free hit resistance around 130, 150, because this will be difference about the 40 pips till this area. But if market somehow will exceed the 100% extension and will proceed, for instance, to the 127 or 1 or slightly higher than this target, that could give us an agreement with this area of significant resistance on the daily time frame. And currently, as I said, I do not treat this move as starting move to the upside, some reversal, because take a look at the price action. Very heavy and lazy move to the upside that was plunged down and erased by just within the 2 hours. Now we see again this very heavy move to the upside. Market really do not have the sufficient power to continue move its choppy price action, and it looks like the retracement. Well, that probably some kind of the ABC retracement now is developing, because we do not see any acceleration to the upside, we do not see long bars, something of that sort, but to the upside. That's why it's very difficult to take the long position right now with the price action that we see here. So that's why this is in general my opinion about the euro currency. I do not believe, at least currently, with the upward reversal and some significant bounce to the upside. And if it will continue as it stands right now, in such sort of action, market will reach this level, I better will search possibility to enter short around 130, 150, because this will be significant resistance, and from the odds point of view, that will be safer than searching the possibility to enter long. The one way how I still could think about taking the long position, if market will form the butterfly here and around 129, 12 area, well, probably we could try to think about taking long position, but only if market will show the move something of that sort, not that kind move right to the 1618 extension. That should be gradual, slow move to the downside. In this case, we could think about taking long position. That probably will, but this will be only the scalp trade, not to marry with this position, just to take the fast profit and exit. So that's in general what I expect to see. That's been said is the conclusion. So we should wait either 130, 150 area, where it makes sense to search possibility to enter short, or appearing of some pattern, reversal pattern, before taking long position. Until that will happen, that's too dangerous and will be an expensive trying to take the long position without any foundation. So that's my thought on the market. Well, let's see what will happen in the nearest future. But situation on the euro currency, it's a bit calm and lazy, and not very interesting, since in fact we do not have yet any interesting patterns and some leads that we could stick with.